Hello, Sebastian here. I hope all is well with you. This is the first part of a series of videos I made about my recent trip to Phuket. Now, Phuket is one of the southern provinces of Thailand. It consists of the island of Phuket, the country's largest island, and another 32 smaller islands off its coast. I chose to fly there, and as you can see here, it's a very short flight and there's an approximate price in pounds sterling. At the airport, there's a very efficient airport bus service available. If you want to use a taxi, there are a wide range of possibilities on offer. As for the hotel where I stayed, I will feature it in another video in this series. I booked all the activities for this trip online with Get Your Guide. They provide an excellent variety of trips, very efficient and friendly service. They can also pick you up and drop you off at your hotel, and all in all provide an extremely enjoyable service, which is well worth the money. Here we can see the 5 places that we visited during this trip. This is where we were dropped off after we'd been picked up from our hotels. And you can see us walking down to take a bus which goes out to the pier and getting onto the boat. Now, as you can see, the boat is very well equipped with plenty of, for safety reasons, life jackets, an excellent selection of drinks and fruits, and lunch was provided. So you can see us all getting settled in, talking to each other, making new friends, and setting out on the boat trip. The next video shows us visiting, sightseeing and kayaking at Phang Nga Island. Please watch it.